Okay, now finally did it. Let me go ahead and, before I get too cocky here, I'm gonna go ahead and $291. Whoop, order filled. Thank goodness. All right, now I can get cocky. Where are we at here? I was just doing these videos about this, and that thing started to alert me. Where are we at? Okay, so now we're down to what we were hoping, and it might go on further. I don't care. I just wanted it to get down to there, and it's late in the day. It's not late in the day. It's 12 o'clock, but that was enough. I had been in the hole for a long time, and got down to where I was 270 or something like that to the good in that. So I'm gonna take it, and I'm thinking maybe, who knows? This next week's another week, but I'm thinking maybe it might bounce back up or something. Uh, but anyway, let's see, go back here. And what I do now is I go through every single account and I make sure I hit exit close all on all of them to make absolutely certain that I didn't miss anything. And because these trades have to be closed by 4 p.m. and I'm wanting mine closed by 2 or 3.